Right, beautiful afternoon, clear, no rain, not damp roads, and we are sat in an E400 3.5 V6 coupe. This Mercedes is fully loaded. It's got panoramic roof, colour satellite 3D navigation, dual zone climate control, all the connectivity you can possibly want. It's a paddle shift 7-speed auto, and it moves. It's got a lovely noise to it, pulls really hard through the gears, so your mid-range punch where you need it for overtaking, it is there instantaneously. No turbos, no lags, nothing, just normally aspirated, pure get up and go. Now going to go on the outside of this really attractive AMG line E-Class 400 3.5 V6, as we mentioned, on a 64 plate. The black really sets it off because you've got this accentuated splitter in chrome. You've got those gorgeous diamond-faced wheels with black centres just to accentuate the black coachwork on the car. Very stylish, very luxurious, very well equipped. We look at those sports seats with the lovely support at the sides. They are electric assist to get in the back. Lovely detailing with the double golf ball stitching in red. AMG steering wheel. The chrome accentuates the difference between the black and the red. Nice kick plates there, Mercedes-Benz stamped. AMG mats with the red accent again, just to give it that little bit of a lift. What can I say? Sat in that car, it really made you feel special. All the chrome around the dials, the way the dashboard is all done in leather with the stitching, just to give it that extra bit of quality feel. Okay, if we look in the boot of the car, very, very deep. And if you pull the handles either side of the boot there, that will release the seats to give you an almost hatchback feel to the car. You can get anything through long load wise. You can see the park sensors built in, that extra splitter at the back being the 400. You get a diffuser below the chrome strip with the exhaust all incorporated. Representing excellent value, our 64 plate E400. Best part of £50,000 car. This car wants for nothing in condition regarding its performance and regarding its actual style and quality. £19,000 will buy this car. Be first, get here, we arrange all the finance, we arrange the part exchange, and we go through the car very thoroughly through our PDI system. My name's Carl.